My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law. Please subscribe to our channel. If your ex is unfit, does that necessarily mean you're going to get custody? Well, I would have to say, if I had to answer that question yes or no, I would probably say more likely than not yes. If you have a totally unfit other parent, you probably will get custody. But there's a big unless. Unless you are equally unfit. Unless you're worse. Unless their unfitness has to do with always coming home late and your unfitness has to do with the fact that you're a drug addict and an alcoholic. So, in other words, the court always has to, nobody's perfect in life. The court often has to balance varying degrees of imperfection as it looks at custodial parents. Who to give custody to, who not. The court has to weigh it out. If there's a profound unfitness due to abuse of the child or something like that, and the other person is just going about his or her day, standard lifestyle, yes, it's likely that person will get the custody. On the other hand, the court has to view, the terms, and it has to sort of look at, well, you say she's unfit, what do you really mean by that? If you mean by that the two of you don't get along, that's not going to impact custody. Court already knows you don't get along, that's why you're getting divorced. So a lot of people will say, well, he's unfit, she's a terrible mom, he's a horrible dad. They'll throw those terms out, and they'll throw out the terms unfitness as if that really means something to the court. But you have to understand, the court's not so much involved in the terminology as it is what do the facts show as it relates to what's in the best interest of the child. Your definition of unfitness, because the guy, for example, doesn't work, might be looked at by the court as, yeah, he doesn't work, but he's available, and he's a very nurturing parent, and the kids have a strong age-appropriate preference for him, and he's never had any trouble with the law. You may work a lot and have a great job, but you've got all the other problems. So the court may balance it out a little bit differently than what one's instinct may be as they analyze this as a non-lawyer. Therefore, it's important to have experienced attorneys weigh in on this. If you have any questions you'd like us to weigh in on it, reach out, and we'll be glad to help you out.